The Vango Skye 500 is a 5-person tunnel tent that's built around 3 fiberglass poles. It's designed for weekend camping and festivals where you want something quick to pitch. This is a tunnel design, which gives you a good space-to-weight ratio. The tent weighs just under 10 kilos packed. Setup is straightforward. The flysheet and inner pitch together as one unit, and the poles are color-coded. The porch area has clear side windows that let natural light in. The ground sheet in the porch links in, rather than being sewn permanently. That means you can roll it under the bedroom when you don't need it or detach it completely for cleaning. The bedroom uses lights-out fabric. That's designed to block early morning light so you can sleep past sunrise during summer camping. The tent has a 3,000mm waterproof rating on the Protex fabric. All the seams are factory taped. There's a tension band system that braces the poles at 3 points. You adjust it when conditions are windy, and you can stow it away when the weather's calm. The carry bag has an oversized opening and compression straps to control the pack size. Please look at the listing for more details on this amazing tent.